As more businesses and consumers shift towards sustainable solutions, the demand for environmentally friendly dry cleaning is on the rise. Traditional dry cleaning methods can be harsh on fabrics and are costly. They use toxic chemicals and are disapproved of by councils, shopping centres and landlords. That's why we're proud to be the exclusive Australian supplier of Primus SoftWash, a water-based, environmentally friendly alternative to dry cleaning. This European technology, backed by the manufacturer, cleans 100% of the garments 100% of the time, while still preserving the shape, colour and quality of your fabrics. From delicate silks to sturdy leathers and everything in between, SoftWash takes care of your garment like no other system can. Wet cleaning is here, but SoftWash is next level. With over a century of laundry innovation, Primus machines are designed to be used for softwash while still being incredibly versatile. They can be used for both regular laundry and delicate dry clean only items, with the ability to switch from a load of towels to wedding dresses just by choosing a different program.
I've been in the industry for over 25 years and honestly I was a bit sceptical on how the system could clean wools, suits and jackets. But what they described in the Primus SoftWash brochure is 100% true. I was also a bit worried about garments shrinking because you're adding water, but I'm glad to say that's not the case. The barrier to enter was minimal, making it easy to implement, and even our youngest staff can operate it with ease. Since switching, we've received constant compliments on the quality of our finishes. It's also much simpler than other systems, especially when we no longer have to dispose of toxic chemicals.
At Total Commercial, we go beyond just supplying equipment. We deliver comprehensive fit-out solutions customised to meet your unique needs, providing seamless installation and continuous support. Our tailored solutions include Primus cost-effective SoftWash washer-dryer stacks, large capacity SoftWash machines, advanced finishing equipment and eco-friendly SoftWash detergents, all supported by expert consultation to match your specific garment and business requirements.
Total Commercial equipment has been fantastic, offering great support and guidance throughout the process. We knew very quickly that the investment was worth it, and I'd recommend it to any dry cleaner looking for an upgrade.
Whether you're an established dry cleaner or operate a laundry service aiming to expand your business, we're here to support you. Our partnership with you doesn't stop after installation. We're committed to helping you optimise your operations, lower maintenance costs and improve your turnover with the right SoftWash solutions. For more information on how the Primus SoftWash system works and how it can help you enhance your business without compromising on quality, contact us at Total Commercial Equipment.